Today we're going to learn about the values of coins. This is a chart we're going to fill out today, and we're going to go through all the coins and talk about, see what they are, how they're written and their names, and their value in money. Okay class, this is our first coin. Does anyone know what this is?
That's a penny.
Good job. It is a penny. And this is how you write the word penny. And we are going to look at how it's written and how much it's worth. So our penny is worth 1 cent. So you can write it in cents or in dollars. Does anyone know what this coin is?
Is it worth 5 pennies?
It is 5 pennies. And its name is a nickel. And it is worth 5 pennies or 5 cents. This next coin is called a dime. Can anyone tell me how much a dime is worth?
I think it's worth 10 cents.
Great job. It is worth 10 cents. Can anyone tell me what this last coin is?
Is it a quarter?
Yep, it is a quarter. And this is what the word quarter looks like. And a quarter is worth 25 cents.
Now that we've learned about the different values of each coin, we're going to learn how to add them together in order to create different values. I'm going to have a lemonade stand outside of my house. A customer came up to me and asked me if I could give him change for $1. Here's the $1 that I got from my customer. How could I give him change back in quarters? Does anyone know how many quarters are in $1?
I think 4 quarters is in the dollar.
Good job. So how many quarters, or how much value is 1 quarter worth?
Is it worth 25 cents?
It is. So let's count together. Ready? So 25.
25.
And then 50.
50.
Do you know what comes next?
Is it 75?
It is 75. And so how many more do we need to make $1?
You need 1 more.
Good job. A new customer came up to my stand and wanted to actually buy a glass of lemonade. 1 glass of lemonade at my stand is 75 cents. He also gives me $1. So what is his change, class? Well, let's see. Let's use quarters to figure this out. How many quarters are in $1?
I think there's 4 quarters.
4 quarters. Good job, class. All right, so we have 4 quarters. But my lemonade is only 75 cents. So how many quarters make 75 cents?
3 quarters.
3 quarters. So we're going to take away 3 quarters. How many quarters do we have left?
We have 1 quarter left.
And what is its value?
It's worth 25 cents.
So his change is 25 cents.
We've already learned how to add the same coins together. So now we're going to learn how to add the different coins to get set amounts. We're learning to make set amounts, or what I call caterpillar chains. So caterpillar chains, so first I'm going to show you how I made my caterpillar chains. So this caterpillar chains is 51 cents. So let me show you how I got to 51 cents. I started with the greatest amount, the coin with the greatest amount. So I used 1 25-cent coin. And then from there, I added a coin with the second greatest amount, which is 10 cents. So I added 10 cents, which makes
35?
yes, 35 cents. And then I added 10 more cents to get to
45.
correct. Finally, I figured from 45 cents how to get to 51 cents. So I realized that 10 cents was too much, so I added a nickel, which is 5 cents, which got me to 50 cents. Finally, I realized I just need 1 more cent, so then I added a penny. I want you to notice that it's 87 cents, the same as the second example we did together. What I want you to realize is that when you create your own caterpillars, some of them are going to be longer than others. And this is because there's different ways to group chains to get to the same amount. So finally, what I want you to do is create your own caterpillar with 70 to get to 73 cents. So, and then as a class together, we'll compare and contrast to see the size or the length of the different caterpillars we create.